So we're just going to start off with a simple breathing practice called Bahya Kumbhaka. So we're just going to take an inhale, just counting something like 3 or 4 through your nose, and an exhale, something like 3 or 4 through your nose. And then we're just going to notice that in between this inhale and exhale there is a natural little moment, a pause. And we're just going to notice that by encouraging and increasing that pause with a count also. So we're also going to use the count of 4 as you hold your breath out. So every in-breath is 4, every out-breath is 4, and then hold for 4. Breathing in 4, breathing out 4, and holding for 4. Continuing in 4, out 4, holding 4. If you find it's too much to hold it to 4, you can limit it to 2, but just noticing you are pausing that out breath. Bahya Kumbhaka. So this action is very helpful when we move towards the practice of pratyahara, sense withdrawal, and dharana, concentration. And this is a prerequisite to achieve the state of meditation. So going inside, withdrawing, what we notice is simple, single-pointed attention. Breathing in for 4, breathing out for 4, pausing for 4. Maybe now deciding if you want to stay sitting and remain with this practice, breathing in for 4, out for 4, pause for 4, or if you want to come down now, start to relax on the ground. So Kumbhaka pranayama. So the word kumbha loosely translates as a pot, which is a traditional image of the torso as a container for the breath, with 2 openings, one at the throat and one at the base of the pelvis. Kumbhaka pranayama, a pot, container for the breath, 2 openings, one at the throat and one at the base of the pelvis. So now maybe using your creative imagination to see this torso as a container for the breath. And whether you are staying in with the practice, in for 4, out for 4, pausing for 4, or whether your breath is just easy, natural breathing, reverting to that through your nose. Just going to notice the breath moving between these 2 places. maybe you might notice that the in-breath has a quality of naturally upwardly rising. And the out-breath has a natural quality of going downwards. So whether you are still practicing Kumbhaka, or whether you are breathing easy, normal breath through the nose, you can still notice the direction of this in-breath, upwardly rising, direction of the out-breath, downwards. Moving in closer still, and imagining this in-breath like liquid be siphoned up the back of your spine, and then moving down the front of the body as you breathe out. Circular breath. And then if you have been practicing that retention, just dropping that now and reverting to natural easy breath, no counting, just noticing how you feel right now in response to this breathing practice.